My language and my people are Tlingit from southeast Alaska.
Cool.
Shadukla Yakatuasam, Nahatsati, Lukhnahari, Preachhit, Yakatak Kwan Ayakhat, Wishkitanyadi. They said, my name is Shadukla, I come from the Raven clan in Koho, from the Frog House, and my grandfather is a Wishkitan Shark. Hachkwa means see, I told you, you hurt yourself, Hachkwa. And Ishan means poor thing, and Chuk means go away.
That's all cool.
This is Shamalgit, the language of the Tsimshian people. Timoagit, Simgigit, Chigam Hanan, Dabawelchik. Lumagora, they will need Tibam Nachat, Diwai, local Tsimshian, Sumakakatla, they will wad. I said, chiefs, noblewomen, noblemen, children of rank, I'm happy to see you. My name is Wolf of the Sky. I come from Metlakatla, Alaska. I belong to the Wolf clan of the Tsimshian Nation. Okay. This is Tlingit language. Ach sani has, ach at us, ach thief has, gunneth cheese. What is my Tlingit? Dakidach gut you cut do a sa. Chak na chat siti. Kashiach kagwantan ayafat. Yak tak kwan dach aya. Gunneth cheese. And that's my aunts, my uncles, my grandparents. My name is Wolf from Above. I belong to the Eagle moiety of the Kagwantan clan from Yakutat, Alaska.
Cool.